close to Munich. It's called a tiny little village called Unterhaching to shoot this beast. Few little troubles. Number one trouble is that actually the motor at the moment isn't quite what it should be. It has an oil leak.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yes, it has an oil leak and he can't exactly find where it is. He has a couple of people here though who can help him. He's after all right by a garage. So hopefully that will be something he can fix for him, we hope. For us right now for the shoot, it cannot go very far, so we are trying to stay very, very local.
Okay.
And the other trouble is he's actually not allowed to drive right now.
Okay, see, the reason I'm like not running out what's going on is because obviously she spoke a lot of German. I couldn't understand a bloody word, so this is news to me right now. So we've got to go find a couple of places, which I think he said 3 places.
Yes.
I think we've chosen 2, and it's local, so can't go far. Oil leak. He can't drive, but he's gonna drive.
No, he's not driving.
Oh, he is?
No, he isn't driving.
Oh.
He is having his
Chauffeur?
yes, so to say, yeah.
Sure.
No, his colleague, more or less, at the BMW club where
Okay.
he's at.
So he's gonna
is
drive.
here. His name is Sasha. So
Cool.
he will be driving.
Perfect. So
George will be guiding.
Yeah, that'd be
George
good because I haven't
Schuster.
got a clue. So let's see if we can find a good place, see what it's like, and hope you guys enjoy the shoot. I like to spit a lot out. I see.
You smell?
I smell it now. It's the fuel.
Yeah.
Oh, it's oil.
Okay.
All right. So
Wir verfolgen die jetzt.
yes, what you just said. Carmen said, I guess. I think Junior was like, we're gonna follow him. Before this Nietz. What? Yeah, okay. I've given up on that. I tried. My accent's pretty shitty. Yeah, I've tried, but I'm not that great with German. After 15 years with you, you'd think I'd learn something, but it's Guten Tag, ja.
No, you can't do more than that.
I know, but still.
In Bavaria, not too far from Munich, maybe let's say half an hour out, and we found an awesome location.
Yeah, this place is cool.
To shoot the CSL, which is actually perfect because it is a rally car in the end of the day, so the environment just matches.
Yeah, look behind, you can see all the logs as we're walking, and then there's a huge log pile I can see right ahead. So we're going to go and see George position the car. Actually, he might have positioned it well already. Yeah, let's check this out. And you see, there he is. Oh, trying to fall over. But this is perfect, so let's check it out. So as you can see, he even has the jacket to match. How cool is that? Yeah, baby. Haha. That's a cool jacket, I love it. So, woodland area, logs cut on the left. It is autumn after all. This is going to be our location of choice. Let's get the car set up. Okay, the boys are strapping in. Photo shoot done. Time to test out the car. Okay, let's hear this thing go. It's got a few issues, but let's see how it sounds. That sounds good.